we've arrived. A little restaurant by the lake. So I'll show you what the food's like inside.
Rawa.
Rawa?
Rawa.
The place is called Rawa
Pening.
Oh yes.
Kota Ambarawa.
Kota Ambarawa.
Kita ambil yang atas itu aja. Nyebrang sini. Jalan. Enggak. Turun lah nyampe. Dia makan.
On the train tracks. Don't know where it leads to.
This is the railway from the Dutch colonial.
Oh, okay.
So 100 years age.
Oh wow. So what is that mountain there called?
The yang kini?
Yeah, yeah.
Celomoyo.
Telomoyo.
Yeah.
Okay. And this one?
Merbabu.
Merbabu. Okay.
Merbabu up there Merapi.
Okay. Merapi. Merapi is that volcano, active volcano that we saw yesterday. You'll see in the video. Yes. Moon says walk this way, so let's follow him. A lot of fishermen out here. But you can still hear the Quran recitation in the background because there's mosques everywhere, remember, in Indonesia. And there's one probably right there. Ya mas. Oh iya.
Naik itu?
Naik itu mau.
Mau?
Mau.
Nah, nanti lewat sana.
Oh. Boleh.
Boleh.
Oh. Mas Moon just said we can go on one of those fisherman boats. Oh, fit check by the way. PSG 2022-23 home jersey. Good find yesterday in the markets. Part there just told me. See that 1914? Can you guess when this railway was made? That's right. That's right. The Dutch made this railway. They, as you know, colonized Indonesia. Alright, it's time for food. Yeah. Okay.
Lagi Mbak.
Live music. Nice. so calm. That's some karaoke going as well. Good vibes.
Hebat. Oh.
Boleh duduk di sini loh penak. Nah, jadi kakinya
agak melonjor sini.
Gini biar.
Tak perlu di mana?
Ini.
Ada lari.
Ya. Nah, kan saling mengilingkan.
Iya.
Saking
lari. Yang benar jatuh yang lari terdekat saja. Tapi ini apa?
Ketularan Kevin cas. Tinggalan saya juga kemarin ketinggalan.
Oh.
Taruh bawah coba.
Well, I now know why there's heaps of people sitting on the railway line. It's to catch the sunset, which will probably happen in a few minutes. Yeah.
Mana dia orang perempuan tadi?
Kayaknya sudah pergi, Pak.
Oh ya, ke sana.
Kayaknya itu.
Ya kan?
Iya.
Syuting.
Iya, syuting.
Apa namanya? Desi.
Nggak tahu namanya.
Enggak Desi apa? Kalau gila.
Oh. Lupa Kevin. Lupa.
Mana matanya ini? Mana matanya?
Itu.
Itu yang nampak kecil loh.
Iya.
Yang merah tuh.
Iya, tapi belum
Belum sunset dulu.
Belum sunset.
Sunset dan rise sana.
Iya, sunrise. Sini. So all those people there are waiting the sunset. Rame apa di situ? Rame. A very elderly woman, after we finished eating our fish, collected all the fish heads, and we asked what for, and she said to give to her cats. So that makes sense. She was kind of talking to herself for a bit. So hope she's all good. There's that lady. Selfie time for everyone. Wow, it's bloody crowded. wait for my friend Masmoon. Look.
Tegel-tegel men wong rawa mantu. Lah aku nak kena di TL. Yang mati mau tidak. Mentok-mentok ini. Kan stasiun itu. Naik ayu tau. Dulu dan terus kan ini kan masih untuk golden buzzer itu.
Balik ke situ.
Plung ngono lah juga. Awal-awal pemilah kok.
Okay, we're walking back. Okay. This guy and his photos. Yeah. Oh, nice. So many fishermen here. They've all got their spears and their guns to shoot the fish. It's a really nice place on this lake. That mountain right there is where me, partner, and Masmoon had coffee up with the view, sky view it's called. But it's time to get in the car and go back to Semarang.